What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Car Mechanic Simulator 2021. I've actually managed to get Car Mechanic Simulator back and running. It saved all my data, actually. So I still got the car. I still got my Nissan out there. So it's actually saved everything. I messed around with the settings a whole bunch in the game files and everything, and I managed to get it booted and running. So I don't know what I changed, but it's up and running. So today we're gonna finish up the car. Yeah, but before we do that, let's just give this thing a paint. It just looks terrible with random black parts and then a white body. Like, what the hell is going on? Yeah, no, we're not going with white. We're gonna go with yellow. Make it look like a fucking Civic. Are you serious? We can't put a livery on this thing? Who makes such a spectacular looking car and doesn't put a livery on this damn thing? Oh, I forgot to paint it. Very smart of me here. Ooh. This one doesn't look bad either. I'm gonna take it. I know I was going with yellow, but this one just looked way too good to pass up. Now, let's go back to the lifter. Actually, hold up. Let's get this engine started. Let's put some oil inside here. Yeah, it's a 4-cylinder. Unfortunately enough, it is a 4-cylinder. Why am I saying unfortunately? This thing is a beast. We made 322 stock. They definitely did some tuning with this motherfucker. You don't want to overfill it. There's your throttle. And we did manage to slap a turbo on it. That's upgraded. But I definitely don't think this thing will start. Oh. Well. Wrong side. I am used to being a Canadian. Where we drive on the left-hand side. We have LHD. Yeah. No crank. Oh, that being said, we don't have a gearbox. Yeah. We kind of need a gearbox to have it start. Just saying. We might need a gearbox. Oh, jeez. These calipers are shit. Let's go and grab them. Oh. My mouse is not working. There we go. Get the brakes. We need the bearing as well. Need 2 of those. Oops. Get off, you bearing. The wheel hub. Oh wait, what's this? There we go, I got the sways. I also want to say thank you guys so much for all the support you've shown for the first video of the series. It's got over 100 views. And considering this is a startup YouTube channel, that's quite impressive. So thank you guys so much for that. And yeah, let's continue this video. We need bushings. I don't know what that is. Oh, yep, it is complex rear end. I'm thinking we need 8 of these and 20 of you. There you go. Knuckle cover. Lower suspension arm. Nope, we don't need that. We do need the shocks and everything. Oh, there's your ABS. Let's get the shocks. And then let's... Where's the spring puller? There he is. There he is. Now all we need to do is just remove everything. Get over here, sway bar. Like this. That's the cover, the shock absorber, the tie rod, the inner tie rod, the steering rack, the rubber bushings. Jesus Christ, these rubber bushings are going to be the death of me. Oh, I don't think I have this front steering knuckle. There we go, got that. Let's put some stuff together. Oh yeah, peel all those. Oh. Now we need a starter. Don't think it's the V8 starter. You have half the amount of cylinders. And the starter is accessible from the engine bay. Interesting take. We need a front drive shaft. What? Really, you don't... There it is. Apparently they're two different things. They look like the same thing though. Need the tie rod. Oh, can't forget about the rubber bushings. Oh, we need the large intercooler. I don't think you can access this from the... There we go. Okay, now we can continue. Front shock absorber. Sway bar. The end link. Front drive axle C. I think it's two of them. I'm not quite sure though. Alright, I think we got everything on this side. Now let's go to the other side. And let's put some stuff together. The front steering knuckle, the knuckle cover, the outer tie rod. There you go, the lower suspension arm. I think I put this on the other side, did I? Yeah, I definitely did. With the front shock absorber over here. Sway end front link. Front wheel hub. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. Bearing. Another C. Click those into place, and we have done the front suspension wheel. We gotta put on wheels, but we've got the front suspension. Now, do we work on the engine, or do we get the rear suspension up to par? I'm working on the engine. Yeah, we got a bunch of bushings for the rear. Let's get that starter in there. Oh, let's move this fuse box first. Air filter, water reservoir, coolant D. Let's get all the supplies. No, the air filter goes over here. ABS. There we go. I don't know what the hell that was. But yeah. Radiators. Here. The air filter. Washer, the power steering, the battery. Oh, gotta get this dirty ABS pump out of here. This pump. That'll work for me. Perfect. Brake servo, the ECU type A. Okay, there we go. We're back. I have no idea what just happened there, but we're back. Up and running. Well, for me, it took an eternity to get it back and working. My car mechanic simulator just decided to quit. But for you guys, it's just a little cut. So I don't think you guys would figure out that it was anything wrong. But for me, it was a harrowing experience. But anyway, let's get back to work. Oh, we don't have a coolant. Let's get that plugged in. Gotta get all these fuses inside. I don't think we have a fuel tank either, do we? Yeah, that might be an issue. Let's turn down my game volume. What the hell? Why is it so freaking loud? Oh. Can't forget the cover. That thing always appears on the side of my screen. I don't know what this is. I don't know if you guys can see that pop up, but for me it's like a blue game bar thing. And I'm not even using game bar to record my videos. So I don't know why it's popping up. Maybe it detects that I'm playing a game. Alright, so the issue with this is we can't have the same size wheel because they're a little too far in, what's that term? Not wide enough, I guess you can call it. I just move to the car lifter, get the fuel tank and everything up and running, and then we can see if she starts. And the fuel filter pump, excuse me. This is the fuel filter. We have the part of the engine already. But this is the fuel pump that actually pumps the fuel. There. Now let's move it to the garage and see if she will actually start right now. We don't have an exhaust system on this, obviously. I just want to see how it is just playing. Oh my god! Oh, it only goes to 6,500? God damn it. Then why do you have 9,000 RPMs on your RPM limiter? If you only go to 6,500, Jesus Christ, oh my god. Alright. Well, there's that. And also we have no headlights. They're both air intakes. That should get a little bit more power into our car. Into our engine, shouldn't it? Well, I guess the next thing to do is to replace the entire rear suspension. And then it is time to look at some racing wheels. Let's try and not make a giant mess everywhere. But yeah, I'm still working on getting Car Mechanic Simulator to run. Last time it did run, well, not last time, but the first part of the video, it ran, but then it just randomly cut out with an error code that I forgot to memorize. But yeah, I'm trying to work on getting it to stay running until I finish the video or until I close it out. So, if it closes out again, don't be alarmed that that's what happened. I might have to reinstall Car Mechanic Simulator just so the corrupted file goes away. I might have to do that, but I don't know. So, you might not be seeing a bunch of Car Mechanic Simulators coming up because I might have to reinstall the game. So, yeah. But if you show a bunch of support, I might start doing videos where I don't cut the car build in half. I might just do one entire video from the junkyard car to the finished build. All in one video, so there's no part 1 or part 2. If you guys want to see that, comment below, leave a like, subscribe, all that jazz. And then that way I'll know that you guys want to see me not cut the video in half and have a complete video all the way through. So, yeah, comment below and subscribe if you want that to happen. Also like the video. But, no, enough chit chat. Let's get this disgusting rear end. Actually, fuck that. We're getting the rear mufflers deleted. Fuck that. We're getting a new exhaust on this thing. Fuck that. That was something. Cat middle muffler exhaust pipe. There's muffler H. Yep, this one. Middle muffler. This exhaust pipe, the rear H. Now we can get the rear suspension done, and then we're gonna be able to hear the car in all of its glory afterwards once we put it on the dyno. Jesus Christ, I can't speak today. Rear drive axle. Got brake discs. Get the bearing. Rear wheel hub. Wheel hub 3. What is a shock? Shock absorber A. Jesus Christ, I can't spell. There we go. We need the sway bar B. Get all these parts out of here. Now it's gonna take me a while because there's so many pieces and bits and shit. I think that's just an over-engineered suspension. Like, why do we need so many pieces? Bits and pieces. If this is used in real life, like, please tell me, like, why you guys decided to design it like this, because this is just over-engineered, dude. Like, just make it like one suspension piece and be done with it. This is just a little bit too complex. Jesus Christ. Well, we got one side done now and stripped. Now it's time for the other side. Always use the star pattern here. That's gonna take some time. Break this, the rear drive axle, the hub, the rear wheel hub that has 2 rusted screws. How long has this Lancer Evolution been sitting in the junkyard, dude? Jesus Christ, these things are rusty. Alright, we're just getting down to the parts. We're almost done with the parts to strip here. Got these bushings that need to be... One thing I don't get about CMS 2021 is these parts are all rusted out, right? But the screw, if they don't need the WD-40, they are perfectly good looking screws. Actually, let's go and remove some of the parts from my inventory. Let's get this rubber bushings out of the way so I don't forget about them. And a drive shaft. Let's not forget about that either. Jesus Christ. Rear suspension arm. Rubber bushings. Rear suspension arm B. This. The upper suspension arm. Spring cap, the sway bar, the end link, the spring itself, the absorber cap, the rear wheel hub, the bearing, the drive axles, the brakes, the brake pads, and then the calipers. Goodness me. That took a bunch of work. Now we got to do the same thing over here. Rubber bushings. No present. Ooh. Okay, let's get all these stuff in first. I like to get all the stuff behind the hub done before I move forward on the hub. So let's get this rear suspension arm back here. The cap. The spring itself. And the cap on top. The suspension arm V. The rear suspension arm. Oh, we got 4 extra bushings. That's cool, I got 4 extra bushings. Bearing. Brake disc. Drive axle. Brake pads. Brake caliper. And I think that's it. We're now ready for some tires. So now these had 245/35/19s. We're gonna have to go a little bit wider than that. So I'm thinking racing tires, like these. Originally they were 245s, but I'm thinking 285s. Now what rim would go really well? Let me search up the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Let's see what rims they have. Oh, they just have like ones that have a bunch of spokes in them. Like these ones. Like these. I think those have a pretty good... I mean, I'm pretty sure this is what it looks like anyway. I'm going to see if I can pop a picture of the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution up on the screen. Oh no. I ruined my flow. Wait. Why are they disassembling my tire? Hey, what are you doing? I have no idea what they're doing. But it just disassembled my tire. I made them slightly wider. Let's get this one on. Let's see how it looks. Oh damn, near perfect! Oh hell yeah, that's near perfect over here. Add part, damn it. Jesus. There we go. Let's move it to the garage entrance and see if she still starts. Alright, let's move you to the test path and get your wheels aligned. Oh, I can't jump. Ah, oh, damn it. I'm too used to Minecraft where you can jump over the gap. Holy fuck. Let's get you aligned there, bud. There you go, align them wheels, and let's go to the dyno and see how much power this thing is actually putting out right now. The stock makes 322 and 318 pound-feet. Let's see how much it's making right now. Hopefully it's a lot. Oh, it's even clipping the graph. 543. Not bad for a 4-cylinder. That is not bad for a 4-cylinder engine. Each cylinder is making like 140 horsepower, a little less than that. Which is pretty good. Some more gears than that. Let's tune them up like that. And then let's take this thing to the drag strip and see if we can win some money. We're going to be doing the tournament racing, and hopefully we can win our monies back. I don't know how this thing launches. I don't know how it performs. I don't even know if the mod creator did a good job and made sure the camera was on the right side when we have the first person view. That's all up to the drag strip to see if we can get it working. Right, so here we are at the drag strip. We're going to do a King of the Sands 1 mile. It's a Class A. I never knew a 4-cylinder car is a Class A car. Oh, fuck. Look at the cars we're racing. They all have like triple the amount of cylinders we have. Well, let's just... Hopefully we can... I mean, some of them are rear-wheel drive, so maybe we can get them off the line. I don't know, but... They did! Look at that! Oh. Oh, fuck! Here he comes! Are we not even gonna make it past group stages? We're not even gonna make it past group stages. God damn it! We got smoked! We got smoked! No! Oh my god, we got smoked! No! God damn it! Fucking damn it. Well, let's see who's the winner. Oh, damn. They beat the Nissan. Nissans are pretty tuned up. The finals. Who's going to win? The BMW or the Bolt? The BMW wins! I can't click Class B either. Damn it. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's do the quarter mile. Let's do the quarter mile. I probably can beat him in the quarter mile. I can probably beat him in the quarter. I could probably beat him in the quarter. Oh, we're racing an F-Type. Oh, he's got a supercharged V8, doesn't he? He's got the 5-liter supercharged V8. Right. Oh, yeah, he's gone. Get back here, you son of a bitch! Get back here, you stupid son of a bitch! Oh, fuck. We still lost! Damn it! Damn it! We still lost! Darn it! But I mean, 500 horsepower for a 4-cylinder engine. I mean, we were racing V8s and V12s and stuff, so I couldn't be mad at the performance. We held off a V12 for a while before he started gaining on me. So I'm quite happy about that. This thing just looks incredibly insane. If you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, please leave a comment down below. Tell me in the comments, do you want to see me just have a full rebuild and not cut it in part 1 and part 2? Or you want to see the part 1 and part 2 just for the cliffhanger effect? Tell me in the comments below what I should do. Yeah. And make sure, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I have a goal of reaching 10 subs by the end of this year. So please help me get to that goal. And until next time, stay awesome.